Here, slay his girl edges. No. No, I'm just
ain't slaying no edges. Them
edges
won't even slay no more. So I got my little sister just braiding me up real quick, you know. I told her move fast. So she really was trying to move fast, but she moved way faster than I would braid my own hair. So it was a relief. And she's just gonna braid my hair, nothing spectacular, straight to the back, couple braids. My hair's so thick, as you guys can see, so just watch that little part. Flat.
wait.
Girl. Ratchet beautician. That's what this is.
No, baby.
Come on.
Okay.
Finish the sleigh. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, I'm all braided up. Prep. My sister did this for me. But I'm going to show y'all this wigs down there. This is the box. Yes. Pretty little pink box. It's a 13x4 lace front wig. What I got? Loose deep. Supposedly 24 inches. Come with a little wig cap like that. That's what I'm going to be using. Come with a little selfie mirror. Here is the wig herself. Booyah! Y'all see her? Let me see. Let me look. The wig. The one and only wig. And this wig is from Upretty. I'm gonna leave all the links below. Okay, very pretty. Look at that curl pattern. Very, very pretty. I love curly hair. If you guys don't know that by now, I'm not really into the straight hair, but that don't mean I won't try some out. I just love the curls, you know, curls for girls. Just come in, step back like that. It has 4 combs, 2 in the front, 2 on the side. No, 1 in the front, 1 in the back, 2 on the side. The adjustable strap that I probably won't need because my head is so big. Here's the lace. Look at that lace. It is pre-plucked. Look at her. So pretty. Like, baby hairs for days. Ooh. Don't know if I'm going to be doing all that. But, you can part this anywhere. Like, it's more than no party space. So, let me throw her right up in this piece. You feel me? Look at her. There she is. There she is. The density. What was the density? You know what? I'm going to leave everything in the description box below. So check that out. Let me see if it's bleached. Let me see. I don't think it's pre-bleached. I guess y'all could tell. I don't think it's pre-bleached. The parts, they look nice. Like I said, you can part it anywhere. It's a frontal, not a closure. And I mean, I probably won't bleach it. Just do a little makeup on that piece. Call it a day. I was trying to see where my other wig cap at. So let me just try to put this on for you guys. I hate the combs. I should have cut these combs out. The combs are irritating to me. Look at me. Yes. And she slept. And she slept. All day. All day. And she slept. Now see? So, what is this cap at? I wish it was bigger, honestly. I have a huge foot. And what would I be placing this wig at? Like right about here. I'm trying to see if I want to install it, like, but the way that one lace front wig that I wore, the way that I installed it, I just cut the lace and threw that battery on. And so there it is. This one I might glue down so you can place the little baby hairs and stuff. I'm feeling like a little, not to say I probably a little flip over. You know what? I still have to like play with it. I love the curl pattern, like I said once before. And so right here, I'm just trying to do my ball cap method. I'm cutting out the ears, and I learned that from Dshay on YouTube. So yeah, cutting out the ears, nothing spectacular. So I'm going to add some clear Got2b gel in a black tube around the perimeter, and I'm going to use the freeze spray as well. And if I didn't say it before, I'm just going to use the blow dryer on the cool setting. That's why I'm keep looking at it. This blow dryer was getting on my last nerves. I need to buy a new one, but yeah, you get the gist. Put it on a cool setting to blow dry the perimeter. It doesn't take long, so. And when I cut it in sections because I don't want the whole cap to like unravel. So I just cut it towards the middle, then I cut off the sides. This part actually took a while because I feel like I had the cap too far down, but yeah. And this next part just, it really was so funny because I messed the lace up. That's funny. Because this is trial and error. Like, you know, there's nothing to be mad about. I was telling her to like take the markings so I can know where to cut the cap at. And she marked it on the cap on the left side. But when it came to the other side, she drew on the lace. So yeah. And now I just added powder to the lace. Get you a nice skin complexion tone or something a little lighter. And go ahead, dab it on that baby. And I put it on the wig too. I just didn't show you guys this part. So I really was debating if I wanted to use the Ghost Bond glue or the freeze spray. So since I already started with the freeze spray, I just went ahead and used that baby and put it on top of the lace and then cut the lace off. So, you know, like I said, trial and error. I mean, I wore lace fronts before, but doing this ball cap method and using all these different type of glues, that's something new to me. This does hold down, but I don't know, guys. You know, like I said, trial and error. Then I just took my scarf and tied it down. And when I did that, I had to wipe my face off because I was going to do my makeup, but I never got to it because it took so long putting this wig on. So, yeah. I was so excited at this point. Like, baby, it's melting. It's looking like skin. Like, oh, look like scalp. It was just blended so well. I was so happy. But this side was doing good, and then the other side was tweaking. So, yeah. I ain't doing nobody else's hair, though. Period. And that's on period.
That's on me, baby.
And that's on me, baby. Hit that whoa, baby. I was still excited, like, whoa. Okay guys, so this is the finishing touches on my lace front unit that I just installed. And like I said, this wig is from Upretty, from the company AliExpress. All the links will be in the description box below. And a girl is feeling herself. I'm not really too fond of baby hairs because I don't really know how to do them, but you know I did whatever I did my thing. I did this, like, period. No, look at that. Oh, it's giving me scalp. It's giving me scalp. It's giving me vibes. Like, I think I'm just toss it to the side and wear it like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Because if you ain't subscribed, what the F are you doing? Period. But for real though, I'm feeling myself. This is my first time doing this bald cap method, and it be just like this. Oh, and I forgot to mention one thing, guys. This video is not sponsored. Thank you. I bought this wig with my own coins. Period. Pooh.